Hey, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to upload um, a video to your Canvas course. And then I will show you a couple of different ways that you can make that video available to students. So why would you want to use this? You might want to use this in order to, if you record Zoom sessions, to post that. If you're going to record yourself with giving a lecture of some kind or a little tutorial of some kind, to do a screencast. There's a lot of different ways or reasons why you might want to make a video and then post that. Our courses are supposed to be asynchronous, and so posting recordings helps that happen. So let's go ahead and open up. Let's go ahead and open up Canvas. All right, there we go, Canvas. All right, so in Canvas, I'm going to open up, I think for this one, I'm just going to open up a sandbox, so I'm not playing around with actual content. Okay, so here you can see this is just mostly an empty shell. I've got a couple of things posted in this module here. Let's say I've got a recording and I want to insert the recording and add it so that students can see it right here in the module. In order to upload a file of any kind to Canvas so that it's available, you utilize in the course menu the files link. This files link, when you click it, will take you to this screen. And in this screen, you can choose to create folders if you want to keep your content more organized. So here we could create, course videos, for instance, and we can click inside course videos. I don't have anything in it, it's empty at this point, and I could put a file in it by uploading it or actually dragging it in and dropping it right here. Okay, depending on the size of your video recording, it could be quite a big file. I'm going to choose a very short file in order to demo this. Just know that yours will likely take longer since mine is a short video. So if you are recording Zoom videos, what Zoom appears to do is it appears to, in your documents folder, create a Zoom folder. I didn't create this, so the Zoom software apparently puts this into your My Documents. And then when you click it, you can see it sort of date and time stamps and puts the title of a folder, and then it puts some different things in the folder depending on what you have selected in your Zoom settings. So anyway, this could be any recording. It doesn't have to be a Zoom recording. I'm just using this one here. Let's say that I want to rename this. It names them all Zoom_0 or something like that. So to be more descriptive, maybe this is short tutorial. Okay. So once I have the descriptively named, I can either drag this up and drop it. Oh, did not take. Let me try this again here. Maybe. There we go. There we go. All right, so I had to move it around. I'm not sure why. To get the drop items to upload. So I had to hover over the upload button and then drop it here. So here, this is one way to do it. And that's a real short video. It's only 200 kilobytes. It's just a few seconds of a recording. The other way is if you click the upload button here, it opens up a file explorer and you can go into documents and find your video wherever your video is. For this demo, I'm using a Zoom, this guy right here. So I'd click that, click open, and it's going to open it. Now I've named this the same, this has got the same name. So I'm going to go ahead and rename it just so I can kind of demo this. So now let me select that. I've got my name here. I click open, and now it's been posted here as well. Okay, so that's how you put them into, if you wanted to upload your recordings directly to Canvas. Now let's say we want to make this available to students. So there's a few ways to do that. So one of the ways is if we go back to our module, if we just want to add a line here with the video in it, we can go up to plus. It's not an assignment, it's a file. So we would go down to file, click file, and then you can choose the different files here. So I'm going to choose short tutorial.mp4. The .mp4 is a file extension. That means it's a video that's easy to open by browsers and lots of other software. So I'm going to click add, and it shows up here and automatically seems to publish this. If you didn't want it published, you could unpublish it. I'm going to keep it published, but the option is yours. So that's one way to do it. Now let's say you have some directions in an assignment and you want to link the video in your assignment. You can do that as well. So I'm going to create a new assignment here, and let's call this Watch and Respond. So let's say my assignment involves them watching this tutorial and then writing some sort of a response. So I'm going to publish I'm going to go ahead and click the word here. The word's the title to get me to this empty assignment shell, and then up here you can see it's published, and you can toggle that. I'm going to hit edit and create a quick assignment. Watch the video linked below and write a 3, 2, 1 response. Record 3 things you learned. State 2 things that were, let's say that you already knew. Write 1 question you still have. All right. So this might be our assignment. Oops, I don't want to be 1, 2, 3 because that's so. This is my 3. This is my 2. This is my 1. All right, enough of the assignment here. Let's say now we need the video. So video link. And when you want to put this link here, you can click. It's not an actual URL. What it is over here in the upper right, there's links and there's files, and then there's actually images, and you can upload images directly in. You can actually upload files too if you wanted to, so you can upload files this way as well. I already uploaded it through the files page, and so I'm just going to find the file I want, and as soon as I click it, it creates a link right here for students. So let's say I make this 10 points, and I want them to use a text box. All right. So what this would look like for students is it would, and you can see it here even in teacher mode, it shows them a little icon like there's a video attached here in order to give them kind of a visual that there's going to be the video. So that is how you can upload really any files. I showed you how to upload recordings to Canvas. There's a couple of different ways to get those uploaded. And then let's go back to modules here. And then I showed you a couple of ways of putting those, making those available for students, either by adding a file to your module or inside an assignment, adding a link to a file. So hopefully that was useful for you. Let me know if you've got any questions. Yeah, keep canvassing.